seeing as your siding is on the exterior of your home, of course, it does have an opportunity to fade. We're dealing with the ultraviolet rays coming from the sun. There are some siding options in terms of material that are more resistant to fading. Vinyl siding is a product that is relatively well known, and it is a product that does weather. Unfortunately, it is something that does not weather consistently. The issue that we see with that particular material is that over time, if it does fade and you need a panel or a wall replaced, what's going to be happening is you're going to be ordering a new product and it is not going to match, the existing siding that you have on your house, which is why we offer James Hardie fiber cement. They have a proprietary Color Plus technology, which helps resist the fading. It also stops chipping, peeling, and cracking. It comes with a 15-year Color Plus warranty on it. So within that 15-year period, if you have an issue with some of these things that I just described, all you have to do is just give us a call, and we call the manufacturer. And being that James Hardie is one of the most reputable, well-known siding manufacturers in the industry and has great local representation, they will help us and assist in any fashion needed if some of those issues do arise. The other advantage with James Hardie siding is that it is a paintable product. So over time, if it does begin to weather or fade, it is something that we can easily fix by putting a new coat of paint on it and bringing it back to its original glory days. If the time comes to where the house does need to be repainted, just like when you selected a professional company to come do the installation, I like to say this: anyone can paint, but not everyone can do it well. So with that being said, making sure if that time does come, you place a call to a professional that has the ability to take the proper steps and processes to get you back, to where you're going to be satisfied with the siding and the way that it looks.